Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about appspatch.com and we'll find out that this is a legit or a scam site. Right, so this website have raised several red flags. Why I'm saying this, leading many questions and legitimacy, and you will find all the application, and I found some of the website which they have decoded that why this website is completely a scam. For instance, the site hides its ownership details, such as has a low Alexa rank, indicating low traffic, lacks detailed information about a service, and has few or no customer reviews available online. So this is, you can just go here and nothing is available, right? And for example, if I just go and click on it, right, it's taking time to load, and here you can see that I have to get coins to buy, and I don't know how it's happened. Type in your username, choose your platform, how many coins you want. So I think this is a kind of patch or cracked website to get your games here, right? And here which have you can say this here. This is appspass.com, legit or scam, and you can also read this here, right? So this is also, and very less people know about this, so this could be another reason that why people are getting concerning about this website. And maybe this could not be a scam, right? So you can just get here, there's a no ownership, very low rank here, lack of detailed information, no customer reviews, suspicious, high trust scores. So in conclusion, you can just read what this website has to say. Same thing from my side, that if you want to go to this website, make sure don't use in your original device or in your regular device where all your data is stored. Maybe this website can hack your data or something like that. So I hope you don't go there, and if you just go there, make sure be concerned about this website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.